Hi, this is Kimberly Hobbs-Taylor with K Hobbs Designs, and today I'm going to show you how I created this fun glow-in-the-dark tumbler using my new Groovy template. If you're interested in seeing other tutorials like this one, consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Before cutting my template, I backed my tacky tape with white adhesive vinyl to give it more structure and to make it easier to reposition once I had it on the tumbler if necessary. Here I have removed a portion of the top part of the template, and I am going over it with carbon foil from Southern Belle Glitter. And then I am using my vinyl squeegee to make sure I get into all the different areas that are not raised up so that I have a good coverage of foil. Now this foil has a full transfer, so it actually covers places that I don't want covered. And so in a minute here you will see that I'm going to take a lint roller, and that will allow me to remove all of the areas that I do not want covered with that foil. It looks like a tedious process, but it actually is pretty easy. Just a little time consuming, but nothing crazy. You can also use masking tape or painter's tape for this process. Next, I have gone in and removed the outer rings, and I am applying my 80s Baby foil, and this is also from Southern Belle Glitter. I love this because it allows you to get that ombre effect with just one sheet of foil. So it makes for a really easy process. Then I'm going back in with my vinyl squeegee again and making sure that I get into all the cracks and crevices. And then I take a dotting tool with a very fine tip and then go around each of those sections. And this makes sure that you get really crisp lines. This is only important if you're not planning on doing an outline in vinyl later. But I just wanted to show this process in case this is something that you're interested in seeing and you're not intending to outline your foil with vinyl later on. The thing I really like about using foils is that because it is still attached on the other end, you can put it back over and then peel it back as many times as you need to after you go over each of those little lines. The last foil I'll be applying is called Whiteout, and again, this is from Southern Belle Glitter, and you can see me removing those last bits and pieces from the center of this little template here. Lastly, I'm going in with this Whiteout foil, placing it right on top, and then using my vinyl squeegee to make sure that I get a full transfer on that the first time around. And now for the fun part, getting your finished template on your cup. I like to use the tuck and roll method where I pull back part of the template and tuck in the carrier sheet and then roll over it. This allows for an easy bubble-free application. And you can just see I'm just using my hands to go along and push it down and then finish off with the seam. And then I will go in with my cup edging tool from Wicked Shimmer Supply, and this makes sure that I get a perfect edge on the top and the bottom of my tumbler because I'm going to be using striping tape, and so I want to make sure that I have a good clean line. To seal my foil, I will do several light coats of Rust-Oleum 2x clear spray paint to ensure that I have no migration of foils once I go in with my epoxy. For my epoxy, I am using Fast Cast from the Glitter Guy. I really love this epoxy because it has little to no smell. It has the highest UV protection, and it has a little hint of a blue-purple tint to it, so it helps to prolong that ambering process that you get with all epoxies. And you can also use it as a final layer, so that is another added benefit of this epoxy. It is very cost efficient, so that is why I use it and love it. This template also comes with an outline file, which you can see that I used here to cut my glow opal vinyl. And then I have cut it in strips and weeded it, and I just feel like the strips make it easier to apply to the tumbler. Then you just continue this process all the way around until you have them all on there. And then another cool added effect is that it's got this glow that you will see in this next clip. And that is it. Supply links and discount codes are included down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you consider subscribing so that you can come back and see more content like this.